Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to be building charts. We are going to be building dashboard. Just a brief explanation on how to do that. In my previous classes, we'll be discussing how to clean data sets. So this is the data set we were able to clean on our previous video using Power Query and also Excel. So today we are going to be using this same data set, clean data sets, to build charts. Remember what I told us the last time, that this bootcamp is the videos are meant to be followed the way it is on the page, so you don't have to skip. Remember what I told us about the framework. You are supposed to begin from somewhere, so that is how the course is. So you start from the first course, second, third, just like that. Make sure you follow it the way it is. So from our previous class video, we're able to clean data, this data set, the one you are seeing on the screen. So just an assignment I want to give to us. Please, if you click on this, you observe that we have a number from 1 to 30. That is a non-use code. So I want us to do something now. I want us to clean this data set. It shouldn't be like this. They're just like a repetition. 1, 0, 1 is family, and there is still 0, there is still 1 here with no family. So I want us to clean it. You can decide to use the one with the text, or you can decide to use the one without the text. Since we don't have a business domain knowledge to follow from the company, so just decide to use anyone. Just try and practice with it because it's supposed to. Okay, let me give us a headline. If you want to use this, means you are supposed to replace that number with this. You understand? You replace it. If you want to use this, then you replace the upper one with this. You understand? So if you want to practice, I don't want to be seeing this and this together. Either this is showing or this one is showing. So depends on you. So work with that. So let's go ahead with, you highlight everything. Make sure your table is highlighted. Go to this place and check if your table here is highlighted. So you go to your insert, and here you see your pivot table. You click on it and it will highlight it. Then okay, then it will open a new sheet for us. You can change this to analysis. Let's do it like that. So let's click on this. So we want to check, we want to know, let's say we want to know the okay, let's use the residential type. Let's know the residential type with the highest sales amount. Let's do it that. We want to know, the company wants to know the residential type that have, made. They want to know the type of the property type or the residential type with the highest amount, so that they will know the next step to take if to invest on that particular property type, or that particular property type, because it means that the clients they're interested in this particular property type. Know the property type with the highest amount. So let's remember what I told us the last time. Just come to this place, pick the property type to your rows or to your column, any how you want it. So you go to your amount. This amount is a value. So anytime you want to anytime you're working with a text, either make use of your rows or your column. Yes, I will show us that. But if you're working with the value, that is number, you go take it to this place. So when you take it to this place now, look at what will happen on the screen. See, it's not really okay. Like, it's fine like this. It's coming out well, but the arrangement is not really the way it should. It's not really okay. But when you take it to this place, you see it's well arranged. You understand? But when you take it to this place, see, apartment is so can decide to do it the way you want, but let's do it this way. Understand? So from here you observe that the value is sum. Means you are trying to sum the sales amount for each property type. You understand? So you can come to this place here and also try to work on certain things. They continue to count and all that. So we are good to go there. So from here you observe that, okay, let's know the highest amount. Let's see. Okay, it's giving us error. Come in. Sorry, is the error is coming from here. So since we already have analysis here as one of the name of the sheet, so it's still throwing error that this name is already taken. So let's replace it with 1 so that to be different. Okay, so let's sort what is here. Let's sort it from the largest to the smallest. So this is the largest from smallest. It means that the client bought residential property compared to others, and this is blank. We don't really need this. I want to skip this. This blank is we don't need it. So let me just go to this place, take property. Okay, I don't want to see the blank. I don't want to see the blank. It will now disappear from here. So it shows that blank is the third highest, or the fourth highest rather. So let's fix amount here. Let's fix currency here. So if you want to fix currency, you go to format. I think so. Go to format cell. Yeah, format cell. Go to currency. So let's use dollar. Okay, it's still showing that it's just so. Let's fix everything. Highlights, or let's just do it that way. So that's the easier way to do it. So let's see if currency will be okay. So it's fine like this. So we are good. So from here you can gain your insight. This is the total amount made, total sales made by residential property. So it's close to 29 billion. I think so. Close to 29 billion, 110,344,004. So let's fix this in the chart. Remember, this is just an insight, the table for us to use. When you click on this place, you go and insert your chart. Remember to click on it. Let's use column. Let's use column chart. Yeah, let's use this. So this is it, telling us that yeah, it's correct. So you can decide to let go of this, click on this anytime. Remember what I told us the last time, that anytime you want to make any changes in any particular environment you're working on. Now I'm not working with this, now I'm working with this. Just click. There will be other options, other functions you want to work that you used to work on it. So it means that I don't want my axis. Now the axis is no longer there. But if you click on the axis will be there. You understand? So but you can still decide which of the axis you don't want. Okay, the primary is gone. This is the primary, and this is the horizontal, vertical, horizontal. So you can decide that we don't want the title is gone. Well, let's fix the title. I want to say property type by what amount, by amount. So this is just a lesson, this is just a class, so you can take your time and build what you want. Remember, anything you want to do here, you come here and work on it. You can decide that I don't want legend is the one that's there, you don't want it. You can decide that you want to fix the amounts on top of each column. So all you have to do is go to data labels, work with that. So let's click on data labels. We are good. So but let's stretch it so that the amount will be very clear. So So since the figures are very large, the figures are very large, so can we just work with this? I don't want it to overlap. You can decide that you want to fix your second. Let's just work with this since it is so large. But remember, you can do it the way you want. So I think we are done with this. Sorry, we are done with this. So this is the chart. You can decide to change it. You click on it, then you go to design, and you can decide to change it. Then you come to this place. You want to use line chart. That is line chart for you. You understand? But let's use column chart. So we are done with this. Let's go to the next one. You copy this, copy and paste instead of going back and loading the data set from the main table. So now we want to know the residential type with the highest sales amount. Now the purpose of this thing is this data or this job is to, based on our own assume domain knowledge and the task given, is to try to know the sales. So most things you'll be comparing here is sales, because the company is all about sales. They want to know. So let's know the residential type with the highest. So you take this one from here, you return it back. So you pick the residential type, bring it here, then we are good to go. You see, makes it easier for us just to copy it from here. So you can still do your sort from largest to smallest. Okay, sorry, it should be from, I think it should be from largest is what was on largest to smallest before. Okay, I don't want that blank. That blank is always showing there because it has a serious figure, so we don't want it. This means that single family had the higher sales of 22 billion. Single family, followed by condo family, 2 family, 3 family, and 4 family. So means that if any family, if they are selling or if they want to sell their property, they will focus, they will, maybe part of their survey, part of their feedback, customer feedback, is they will try to ask, are you a single family, or so from there their target will be on single family. It means that single family are more interested on their property, just like the way up here residential type, property type. So they will really invest here. They will invest on they will build more of a residential property compared to others, followed by others there. Then here they will focus on single family too. So it means that here, let's start getting our conclusion from here. Let's start getting our conclusion. You see, part of the project. So it means that their focus will be on single family. So what are you going to do to improve their sales? So their focus will be on single family. Here they will build more of residential property that people on residential areas, people that wants to stay, and just like the way you stay in your house and you're a residential you stay in a residential property. So it means that many people love they want more of residential property, and then here is single family. So that's just the insights. But remember, the brief that is sent to you will give you more understanding and all that. So this is it. So let's know okay, let's fix this a dashboard, sorry, in a chart. Let's use what are we going to use now? Can we use this? No. Can we use line charts, or can we use this? Can we use stream map? Is it possible? Okay, stream map, they said no. Let's use this. Can we use this? Can we use this? Let's use this. Okay, I want us to use line. Can we use this? Okay, let's use this. This will be fine. I think we are good with this. Okay, here I think we can decide to remove this here. we can decide to do that and fix the label here, because the space, at least it will take the amount here. So it's telling us that single family has the highest sales, single family followed by condo, 2 families, and all that. The list is 4 family. So it means that single family bought more of the property, more compared to, compared to 4 families. So it means that if you are coming, part of the question they will ask you, or part of the things that the feedback, part of the feedback questions will be, what type of property do you want, and what kind of family. So it means that most of the feedback, or let's say the form that is filled, is coming from single family and residential type property. So just try and gain your insight. So let's see, we're done with that. Let's copy this, go to then you paste here. Then remember, you can filter, you can decide not to. Remember when I remove the blank, so you can do that yourself. So from here now, we want to know the month with the highest, or the month with the highest sales. So we remove from this, we'll pick the month name. So yes, we are good. Wow, this is good. So largest to smallest. So I don't want to do that. I want it to be the way it was before. So that this will be sorted accordingly. So we are working with this, and it's telling us that the month of January had the highest sales. So you can imagine, immediately after the year, January, end of the year, the new year got the highest, the new month got the highest sales. January, when things are hard, but it still got the highest amount. So it means that okay, let's just continue with that. Let's fix it. So this is where we are supposed to use line chart, the one we use here, because it's a trend. So we can decide to use line chart here. Let's use line chart here. Okay, let's still use line chart here. Here we can decide to use still our column. Let's use our column chart here. You change it, because I don't want it to be the same. Let's use, okay, we can still use this here. Let's use this here. Yes, so we are good. Yeah, we can use the line chart here. Here I don't want to. Okay, let me see if I can get rid of this. Okay, then okay, this will waste our time. I don't want that. The title, I don't want that, but I want to fix the label. Okay, this one will be I don't want it to be like this. It will be crowded. So let's use it. Let's use this. I can use that, but I don't want it to be simple for us to understand. But remember, this is something you can do to give you the answer. Say at August, August made close to 8 billion, which is the highest. Now, is that August? Let's see if our analysis is correct. Is that August? Okay, that's true. You see, from the table, I was thinking that January got the highest amount. No, it's August. So you see, the line or the chart will really help us, because this is a number and you can easily get it wrong. But when I was looking at it, I thought I was just looking at this 5 here, not knowing that there is an 8 here. There is an 8 here. There's an 8 here. So which means August is the highest. August had the highest sales. You see, from this table now, I was able to understand it very well. So let's imagine that I'm the one doing this analysis now, and let's say the other of myself is the client. So I was able to understand that, okay, this is the highest, and from the table now, my my client, with that is the other me, will now understand that okay, this is August. August had the highest sales. You see, I want us to understand that sorry for that. I want us to understand that charts will always give you deep insight. It will make your insight to be clear. Okay, let's remove this one. I don't want the legend. Charts will always make your insights very clear for you to understand. So if I am pitching right now, they don't even need to go through this. They will be, you're okay with this, you understand? So think we are good with that. Please try and explore more of this. Here you can decide to filter what is here. You can decide to filter let's say you want to filter address. You write address here, and immediately you're writing address will display. So we are good to go. Here you can decide also to filter. You pick from here, come to this place and filter each of the column. So let's try to gain let's try to know the year. Yes, the year with the highest amount. I think we'll be good with that. Then we can also work with let's work with the year. So you copy, you paste here. So you copy, you paste. Okay, let's go with this. We don't want this, we want this, the year. So sorry for that. So this year should be here. Sorry for that. Then amount, I think this is amount. Yes, we are good with that. So from 2001 till 2021, let's see the highest, largest to smallest. So 2021 made the highest sales. 2021 made the highest sales. So let's fix it in the chart. Okay, we can still use trend. You can see line chart here because it has to do with trend. So this is the line. You can still use line chart here. So you can still use line chart here. So I still want to retain okay, I still want to retain this. Okay, if you want to really, if you still want to do more, if you still want to edit more of this, you want to make it good for you, like fine and okay, because of the time we'll not be able to go through that. Just click on this, double click on it, you see a pop out menu for you to work on this. So let's remove this. You see here you can go do further editing here. You can do further editing here. Sorry for that. Come to this place, you can do that. Other things you can do that. See, so here you can change the color of each column and all that. You can do so many things with that, so many of them. Just try and explore more of this. Try and explore with that. So we don't have the, let's bring our field back. Field is not there, so let's click on the field list. It will appear here. So it's telling us that 2021 made the highest sales of 31 billion. You can write 31,779,543,928. So the highest sales is, this is the highest sales. Or we can still use column charts. You can still use column chart. We are good. You can still use that. Yes, let's just use this. Let's just use this. So we are good to go. Let's continue. Let's go ahead. Let's continue. Let's want to pick this. You copy. Remember, you can change the color. You can change the color. You can change this color. You can do that. You can change the color to any color of your choice. So let's go change the color to any color of your choice. Just try and explore anything here. Don't be scared. Click. If it doesn't work, you go back and you are good to go. If it doesn't work, you go back and you are good to go. So this is where you can change colors. This is where you can change colors, change the type you want. Yeah, this is the place you can change colors. You can do it the way you want, and you can even change each of this column can have different colors. Then you can just click on this scene and look at, you can edit it from here. So let's just continue because of time. So from here now, we want to know the sorry for that. We want to know the highest, the the year, the day with the highest sales, the weekday with the highest sales. So the weekday with the highest sales, let's click on it back. So you see everything we've been comparing it with sales. So this is it. We don't want the month again. So this is it. So want this. Okay. Sunday, beginning from Sunday had the highest sales. Okay, we don't know for now until Thursday had the highest sales. So we don't know for now until let us fix this in the chart, then get more insights. But from here now you understand that this is 10 and 10 has the highest sales. Sorry, Thursday had the highest sales. You can also do other formatting here again. You can also do other formatting here. You can decide that okay, if this is what you want to present to your client, also want to use this. I remember the last job I did, I also use this as part of the report. So you can just decide that you want to format this, and you can just change this to a different color and you are good to go. I think what you have to do is highlight this, then I think where and the place you go to, and then you just fix the color coming. Okay, this is the place. I don't know. Okay, I want to use the environment. Okay, this is the place. Yeah, I was thinking it's there. So this is where you can just, you see, you can just, if I click on this now, you'll pay more attention to this because of the color. If I'm trying to format it very well. So let's just continue. Let's use you can also use trend too. You can also use line chart too. Sorry, can we use line chart? Let's use this. You can also use let's use donut chart. Can we use donut chart? We can do that. Yes, we can do that. We want to put fixed label. Okay, do we want legend? Yes, let us use donut chart, and then I think we need the amount. Okay, let's just do it this way. You can decide to remove this title. Okay, chart title, we don't need that. Okay, so this is the legend, and you can also decide to change each of the color. You just double click on it and you give you many options, so you can work with that. You can do other things with that too. Color, you check and you're good to go. So please try and exploit this. There's no time for us. This video is basically for us to, you know, try to gain insights and also the view chart. So I think we are done with our chart. So let's do this. Let's go with this. Let's copy this, go to our dashboard and fix it here. Okay, there are other ways you can decide to change the color of this background. You can decide to do so many things. Okay, the purpose of this video is not really to show us that, but part of it is just for us. You can decide to, you can decide to give it a background that then you can make this transparent. Remember what I told us the last time, that you can decide to make this transparent. As long as you click on it, then you take it to this place. No, this is not the place. This is not it. Okay, let's look for it. You can decide to do that thing here. You can decide to do that here. So let's say we want to make it, let's make the color to the same with the background. Okay, I think we are close. No, that is not it. Okay, let's work with this. We get this. So it's something, you just try and get the colors right to blend with the one on the background. Okay, still not with it. So Okay, this is okay. No, still not. So just try and make sure that the background color is the same with the one here. Well, I don't want to use the background color. I don't want to do that. So I just want to make it white. Just want to make it white. So we can still make this one white too. Let's make it white. Like, okay, let's work with this. And remember, this is not a class to build a standard dashboard. It's just for us to, this you can do it yourself. You can explore more on this. So you just go to this place and pick from here too. Get this, you copy, then you paste here too. You can work with that too. So you go to this place to copy this. You copy this and you paste here. No, here. Sorry, dashboard. And you're good to go. This is it. Okay. Make sure it's aligned together with this. Okay. So we are almost done. You go to this place and pick this. So this is just a brief. Then you can customize this to any color of your choice. Customize it to any color of your choice. You can make this dashboard as beautiful as the way you want. As beautiful as the way you want. As beautiful as the way you want. So let's zoom it in. Then here you can decide to use your what's the name again, your filter, that is your slicer. Remember, you can also decide to get your KPI here first, then your filter first, then your KPI. Okay, if you want to insert your filter here, go to design, you see analyze, go to analyze, you see slicer. So we want to know the property type. So let's use the property type. Very important, the property type. Click on it and it will give you a slicer. So this is it. So this is the slicer. It should be on top of this place. Should be on top of here. So this is it. So let's bring this down so that we can align it very well. It's just a rough work for us. Remember, you can do it better than this because of the time. Just trying to rush. Even our previous video we tried to build a standard dashboard for us. So this is just, I just want to use one of this as example. So this is the slicer. When you click on this, it's showing just this, but remember, you can connect. I think there's a way you're supposed to connect all these together. I think so. You're supposed to group them also. When you click on it, it will now, I think, okay, it's still reflecting this. Okay, come in. There's a way you do it that it will connect. Okay, come on, let's undo it. Okay, let's undo it. I think there's a relationship here. Let's get this relationship and see. Okay, but there's a way you can do it that it will connect. And when you click on it, everything here will be connected. So let's just continue. I will go through it maybe next time, but this is just how to do it. So the assignment for us is, let's try and connect this together so that when you click on this, it will not only be affecting this, it will also affect others too. So, but let me try something. If let's see. Okay, you can do that too. Okay, let's see. I want to use property type and the month. So let's see if this will work. This is giving us this. I'm just trying to check something. Okay, it's just this one reflecting. Okay, what's coming? Okay, let's just continue. You can do that on your own. The way you can do that. Okay, let's see. I think from here, let's see something coming. Let's fix this here. Good. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, from here you can decide to, okay, let's try to do, I think there's a connection here. There's a connection also, report connection also. Yeah, this is the place. This is where you try and link all the tables. Just click on it, so you make sure they are all checked. Then you see, okay, then merely you click on this, it will affect, you see, it will affect. So I was just trying to see, I was trying to get this is when you click on single, so it means that single family had the cells. What about the tree family? So you see it's now so it means that from here it's telling you that there's no single family has no cells in this month. In fact, okay, no. So this is just you trying to filter. Okay, let's watch this. Trying to filter up the apartment, you see. So when you filter, it gives you, let's go back to that single family again. Single family. Okay, there was sales from this month, also sales in June and May. Okay, so that's it. Single family, comparing it with residential type. See, made sales, also telling you that the single family with the single family under the property type, this is the cell they made. Also telling you that so when you filter here, let's check three families, like the property type. Still okay, they made $50,000. $50,000. Three family, still okay, still $50,000. $50,000. Okay, so this is just how to filter. See, the residential type is still making the highest amount, so about 29 billion. See, from our analysis, residential type, property type. So it's telling you that residential property type, this is the cell, almost the same thing with this. Then under the residential type, I think we have 4 families, 3 families, 2 families, also condo family too. So when you click on single family, I think it's just still single family too. So this is it. Just go through it and you understand what the data analysis is talking about. So this is just the mini dashboard. This is not a professional dashboard. It's just for us to see how to build it. Okay, and also there are other things we can do here, but we'll just stop here and please try and add other things too. Maybe a time will come when we'll maybe in our next video we'll just try to see how we can build dashboard too. Remember, the purpose of building a dashboard is for your clients to understand what is happening from the insight you've gotten from your data set. So try and then make sure that the client understand what the message you're trying to pass across. It's very important that you do that. So this is all we can get from here. Let's cancel the filter. So this is it. Thank you so much for your time. What should be in this place is the KPI. KPI should be on top of this place. That is, after this, KPI can be here. So it all depends on how you want to build it. I want to build it, but remember, this is not a standard dashboard. We can do better and better than this. It's just for us to understand how to build it, and you can do other editing here. Remember what I told you, that if you click on this, it will display, and you can decide to design this the way you want. This is not that is not this when to build a standard dashboard is not the purpose of this video. It's for us to build a dashboard, not really a standard dashboard. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for investing your time with us, and thank you and thank you.